When people think of trekking in Nepal, Everest or Annapurna usually comes first. But hidden in the shadows lies the Manaslu Circuit, a trail that feels wild, remote, and deeply rewarding. Still, many wonder how difficult it really is. Let's explore the challenges and rewards of this incredible journey. Very early on, Manaslu tests your courage. You will walk across suspension ridges hanging high above rivers. They sway with each step, and if you fear heights, it can feel a bit overwhelming. The secret is simple. Look straight ahead, not down. Step steady, stay calm, and soon the fear turns into the excitement. The trail itself is never the same. Some days you'll climb stone staircase, other days you'll cross muddy paths or narrow ridges. It is rugged and demanding, and every step requires attention. But that's the beauty of it. It keeps you present, every moment reminding you that this isn't just a trek, it's an adventure. Which is also why the right boots matter so much. A solid pair with ankle support isn't just for comfort, it's a safety net. Near Larke Pass, when the trail is icy, your boots give you confidence. Break them in before you arrive, because on Manaslu, your boots are your most loyal companion. As you climb higher, the real challenges begin. The altitude. The air thins, and suddenly even short climbs feel exhausting. Headaches or nausea may appear, and here's the truth. You can't fight altitude with strength alone. You fight it with patience, walk slowly, drink water, and listen to your body. That's why acclimatization days are built into the trek. In villages like Samagaon and Samdo, you will rest but not just sit around. You take short hikes higher, then return to sleep lower. This trains your body to adjust to the thin air. Without acclimatization, crossing the high pass safely would near be impossible. Timing matters. Spring brings rhododendrons and colors, autumn offers clear skies and stunning views. These are the best seasons for Manaslu. Winter brings heavy snow, and the monsoon makes trails risky. Choosing the right season can make the difference between a smooth trek and a struggle. Once you're on the trail, your backpack becomes your lifeline. It carries the essentials: warm layers, sleeping bag, headlamp, water purification, and first aid. Every extra kilo feels heavier with altitude, so pack smart, not heavy. Out here, less is truly more. But preparation does not start in Nepal, it starts at home. Training with cardio, hikes, and even stair climbs with a weighted backpack prepares your body. Manaslu isn't about speed, it's about endurance. The fitter you are, the more you'll enjoy the journey instead of just enduring it. On average, you'll walk for 6 to 7 hours a day, covering 12 to 15 kilometers. Some days are gentle, others push your limits with steep ascents. Slowly, the rhythm of walking, resting, and walking again becomes your new normal. Each day builds your strength for the final challenge. Then comes the hardest day, crossing Larke Pass at 5106 meters. You start before dawn, the cold biting into your skin, every step heavier than the last. It's exhausting, but when you finally reach the top, prayer flags fluttering against a backdrop of towering peaks. It all feels worth it. That moment is pure magic, the reward for every hardship. Still, let's be honest, Manaslu isn't luxury. Tea houses are basic, showers are rare, Wi-Fi almost non-existent, meals are simple dal bhat, soup, noodles, but in that simplicity you find connection with the locals, with other trekkers, and with yourself. So, is the Manaslu circuit difficult? Yes, it demands effort, patience, and preparation. But it's also one of Nepal's most rewarding treks, a journey that challenges you physically while giving you memories for life. And if you're ready to take on this adventure, Mountain Roots is here to guide you. From permits to experienced guides who know the trail like home, will make your trek safe, smooth, and unforgettable. Manaslu tells a story of challenge, resilience, and reward. The only question is, are you ready to write yours?